What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to get paid traffic for Digistore24 products. I'm going to reveal 4 separate, incredibly simple paid traffic sources. So by the end of the video, you can get massive traffic for cheap and start to generate sales. Now, before I dive in, I will share that if you don't have something following up and closing your leads for you, I'm going to include a link to my #1 recommended affiliate system that will literally make you commissions even while you're sleeping. But without further ado, let me dive in right now, okay? So I'm inside the Digistore24 marketplace, and maybe you already have a product you want to promote. If not, you simply want to go through here and choose a product. They have many different niches. Now, 2 of these traffic methods are going to be able to be used for products in any niche, and then 2 of them are primarily for the make money online and the home business niche, because I know a lot of my audience is in that niche, okay? So whatever product you're promoting, the very first paid traffic source I really recommend and like is Bing ads. Okay, I've been running Bing ads for a while now. It's very cheap per click and even per lead if you set it up properly. Now, I have a full video on Bing ads. I'll put a card on the video and I may include a link in the description. When you watch that video, you'll see exactly how to set up Bing ads and run them. But essentially, you just set up campaigns and your ad will show up on specific keywords that you pay to show up on. So when people go to this Bing search engine and they search in, let's say you're promoting a health and fitness product that teaches people how to lose weight. Well, one of the keywords you can run ads on is a keyword that's lose weight fast, okay, or something like that. Your ad could show up. And I want to share with you an example. So let's say you typed in lose weight fast. This right here, okay, these are ads. So when someone types in this keyword, this shows up and you can have this link to your capture page, to your affiliate link. The cool thing about Bing ads, again, is it's very cheap, but you can get very targeted search traffic. People are looking for answers. And again, you can, make the keywords as specific as you want, right? And show up there. So I've been using Bing ads. I highly recommend you think about using them if you want to do paid ads. Very little moving pieces once you have it working, and it just runs in the background. Now, my second paid traffic source that I really use and like is solo ads. Okay, now solo ad is a form of advertisement where basically you can pay people who have big email lists in certain niches, and they will send out an email for you, including whatever link you want to promote. Now, udemy.com is one of the places you can purchase solo ads. I'm going to put another card on the video. I have a full video breakdown on Udemy, okay, how to actually find vendors, how to craft the email that you want to send. Very simple stuff. But as an overview, all you have to do is create a free account, go to find sellers, and this shows all these different people that you can purchase solo ads from. Now, you can really find solo ad vendors in many different niches. Udemy is mainly make money online and home business. Okay, so I do want to stress that. But basically, let's say you find this person, right? You would just open up their profile and you can actually look at their stats, look at the reviews. Okay, so you can see right here that 917 people have liked this person's solo ads. Okay, so that's a good sign. 58%, this is basically how many people have reported making money. Anything above, even 30% is good. This is 58%. Now, again, in that video that you can watch after this one, I break down the exact criteria that I look for. But with, again, very quick overview, this is how you would place the solo ad. Okay, so you would choose someone and then you would put in what email you want them to send and then what subject line. Okay, now if you don't want to actually craft your email, you can literally just do only link. Okay, and you can just put in your affiliate link or a capture page. I recommend a capture page so you can capture the person's email. Again, the link below, that affiliate system actually comes with capture pages that are done for you, so you could use that. Okay, so with solo ads, you're going to be paying per click. So this solo ad will keep running, basically. They will keep emailing their list until you hit however many clicks you want. And you can see the price down here. Okay, so it's going to change based on how many clicks. And then you can pay with PayPal or a debit or credit card, and that will run, okay? And that will start to go out usually, and you can see I've purchased from this person before, usually within, anywhere from 24 to 90 hours, they'll start to run it, okay? Because some people may be buying from them as well, and you have to wait a little bit of time. Now, my third paid traffic source I highly recommend specifically for Digistore24 is ShoutCart. Okay, now you can actually use this website to purchase shout outs from Instagram profiles. Now, the powerful thing about this is that when someone has built a Instagram profile, you can see this one specifically has 303,000 followers. Okay. When they've built up that following, these are a massive list in a specific niche. And it's usually warm traffic. If they have an engaged profile, okay, people are liking and engaging, watching their Instagram stories, then you're going to have a great chance to make some sales. Okay. Because again, it's warm traffic. When these people promote or they do a shout out for you and they're basically recommending your product that you're promoting, you're going to have a lot of people that trust these profiles, go check it out, and a lot of people are going to decide to buy. Now, you can actually choose what niche, okay? So you can unselect, let's say, for example, your product was in fitness, okay? So I can actually select that, and that's going to list all these different fitness profiles on Instagram that you can purchase shout outs from. And basically you can go through, if you're interested, you can kind of click this for a little bit more information, and they will give you, an idea of what photos they've posted in the past, the reviews, okay? Now you want to make sure that it's relevant. The biggest key with Instagram shoutouts is that the product you're promoting from Digistore is going to be relevant, okay, to the profile that you're getting a shout out from, because the more congruent and the more relevant that is, the better chance that traffic is going to actually convert into sales and commissions. So again, you can play around with ShoutCart. You can, see the price after you actually decide, for more information. The price is pretty darn reasonable, in my experience. Usually, I mean, it's always usually under, about $100 based on a lot of these. Okay, $100 for a good shout out is really nothing when you look at the return. Okay, so go through, check this out. Again, you can do many different categories. You can test different products, different categories, and see how it works out for you. Leave your experience down below in the comments. I'd love to read that. And the last paid traffic source I recommend in this video for Digistore is Traffic Authority. Now, I'm going to have a link directly below to Traffic Authority's traffic store. Basically, what this does is you can choose a premium traffic package, and what it does is send you clicks. Okay, so you can see the basic is you'll get 170 to 190 clicks. The price is $220, and the delivery time for all of these is about 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so it's a drip feed. This is a good way if you want consistent paid traffic coming in. Maybe you work a job, maybe you have a big family, and you just want traffic continually going in. Once you choose a package, let's say gold. Okay, gold is very popular. It's $1,097. You can select that, and then basically you can click other website, and you could put in your affiliate link or a capture page right here. And then all you have to do on the right side is basically go through, attach a debit or credit card, agree to the terms, and then place order. And what happens is Traffic Authority supplies you with real high quality top tier clicks. So all of these clicks are going to be from top tier countries. They're very high quality, and Traffic Authority is mainly for the make money online or the home business niche. These people have shown heavy, high interest in those niches. And again, if you have an offer, let's say from Digistore, okay, or wherever you find that offer, if it's in the make money online or home business, you can use this to get massive traffic very, very easily. And then again, you just place that order and it will start going in. You can see active orders, past orders, okay, so you can see your history. And the cool thing too with Traffic Authority is you can pause this order at any time and you can change the link. With Udemy, once you run it, it's very difficult to change the link, okay, if it's the run is actually happening. But with Traffic Authority, it's very easy. You just pause, you can edit that link, and you can test a different offer or whatever you want to do. Okay, so these are my 4 main paid traffic sources I highly recommend you use with Digistore24. If you got value, I'm going to make more videos like this. Click the like button below to let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe with that bell icon. You'll be notified of my weekly videos that I share more breakdowns just like this. And last but not least, again, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate system where you can literally have done for you capture pages, high converting videos, and even follow-up emails that will go out on your behalf, converting your leads into sales, even while you're sleeping or hanging out with your friends and family, click that first link below. Check out that free overview video. And if you like it, be sure to get started. Tons of people from around the world have been loving it, and it's absolutely incredible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.